featuring Mr. 198 playing demolition to L11AA, sniping on the map firing range. And before I get on with this commentary, can you please leave a rating and subscribe if you haven't already. And here we go. Oh, quick flip your ass. Oh, come on. Let me get another. Through here. Come on, come through. Whoa. I got my UAV. Says I'm a G. Yo, yippee, yo. Ooh. Move out. Come on, my teammates gotta mess up my thing. Ooh, look at this accuracy. Ooh. Scared me a wee bit there. Look at that. Oh. I got a bird that's black. Please do not die. Please do not die. Please do not die. The COD God has answered my prayers. The COD gods are with us. Yeah, I'm getting a wee bit campy here. I'm kind of shatting a brick. Come on, when it counts most. Oh, nope. When it counts most, that's when I'm doing the worst with accuracy. Okay, nice. I'm really shitting a brick. Okay, nice. My teammate took it. Did he take it? No, I'm not gonna save him. One more. Ooh! He almost got me there too. Okay, we're going 11-0 the first round. I'm about to call in my doggies. Yeah, buddy. Oh, I almost got noob tube. Oh, that noob tube wigging me a lot right there. That's not good. Looks like these guys aren't going for the kills. No spawn trapping here. They're just going for the win, which that's not bad. Ooh, thank you, teammates. Oh, you know what? Maybe for these last couple of seconds I can spawn trap. Now they're only going to be spawning in here. Whoa! Oh, random double. Whoa. Oh, I go ahead and get taken out right there by a Nubical. And final score 21-2. Yeah.